What's up guys, my name is Rylan, coming back at you with another video, and today I'm going to be discussing the 3 best mods that you can get on any BMW. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in and not waste any time. Motherfucking fly, get off of me. Hit you with that punch, that 1-2, you know what I'm saying? Oh, and one more thing guys before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you like the video, leave a comment, leave a like, all that good stuff. You know, at me as something like, hey, at Ryland, yo, your videos are tight. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Coming out with a new mixtape. Make sure you check it out. Yeah. It's called Beat Your Ass, Tyrone Woodley. Not for real though, guys. Thank you so much. Enjoy the video. Alright guys, so the first modification I want to talk about is right under the hood, and that's getting yourself a tune. Preferably if you have a new BMW, because they are all turbocharged, and if you have a turbocharged vehicle, well, you're going to expect a huge spike in torque and a spike in horsepower as well, and it's going to be a heck of a lot faster. And tunes really don't cost too much money. They're like 400 bucks for a JB4 piggyback tune. What I'm running is a flash tune, so a little bit more expensive, but also a little bit more reliable. It's from ESS, it's an M235, and I've had it for about a year and a half, and honestly, it makes the world of difference. Trust me guys, when you get a tune, you are gonna be blown away. Any BMW, N55 engine, N54 engine, the new B58, N20 engine, whatever it is, it's gonna increase your power figures substantially, and you know, the tune kind of makes the car how it should be from stock, so you're really gonna appreciate it. And don't motherfucking fly, get away from me, bro. You want to square up right now? And don't worry too much about the reliability, because you know, honestly, I haven't had one problem whatsoever, so that's pretty good peace of mind. But that's a B. I ain't trying to pick a fight with you, dog. Yeah, just back away. Just back away, homie. Alright, on to the next. Alright guys, so the next order of business when it comes to modifications on any BMW is getting yourself a pair of nice, fancy, good-looking shoes, aka rims. It's gonna add a substantial flair to your BMW and differentiate it from the rest of the BMWs out there, because there are many BMWs on the road, especially in California, as you may expect. So these are some OZ rims, Star Graphite, I believe, 19-inch, and they are beautiful. A little bit of concave in the back, and just absolutely money. Love them. And because of these rims, that they're custom, little staggered setup I got, I was able to fit some bigger tires, which you know, improves the handling as well as putting that power to the ground. So you know, from an appearance standpoint to a performance standpoint, get a little bit of everything when it comes to rims and getting some new tires on there. So excelente modification, highly recommend. And let's jump right into the next one, shall we? Alright guys, so the third modification that I recommend on any BMW is getting yourself an exhaust system. Preferably a full exhaust system, and also preferably a catless downpipe. She's gonna sound absolutely amazing. Pretty much all BMWs, even if it's the M3, M4, whatever it is, they sound a little bit mundane, a little too quiet for a lot of car enthusiasts liking. And if you throw an exhaust on it, she's gonna wake up. She's gonna just get that slap in the face, and she's gonna be like, boom, here we are, and we're ready to kick some ass. So honestly, get an exhaust system. This one is just a custom exhaust built by some random person that I, you know, bought it off of Instagram. It was cheap, it was like 500 bucks, but my gosh, did it make a world of difference. So why don't I show you how this sounds, and yeah. note for you, she also crackles like a crazy person while driving. So yeah, that's another plus. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this quick video, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Hit that subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? Look at me now, motherfucker. Look at me now.